So our pasta has rest enough, and it's got this plaster kind of aspect. So this is perfect, ready to be knead and roll. But before, I want to introduce you this machine. This is a typical Italian pasta machine. The sheet, the flat sheet, the fettuccine sheet, and the spaghettini sheet. It's a machine that you clamp to the table, so it's stable, and you have a roller, and basically some measure 1, 2, 3 to have fine according to what you need to make. So for example, if you need to make lasagna, you need to have a little thick, otherwise the pasta will break or will not keep the condiment. If you're doing fettuccine, a little thinner. Okay, so we call this pasta machine in Italy nonna papera, grandmother pasta machine. I'm gonna cut this in two, and I'm gonna start rolling the dough. To roll the dough, you need some flour on the table. So, and we have a little roller here, but at home you can use a chapati roller. So see how the dough, more time you rest the dough at room temperature cover, of course it's very hot in the fridge, more it's easy to work. So again, I'm going to cut this in two. We're going to roll it a little more. Perfect size. And now it's time to use our machine. So I'm going to put it inside the pasta. So now it's all the same size. But again, we are not happy with this. We're going to do it again. The pasta catch it inside. Okay. Okay. So now we have to reduce the size of the machine. One size less. Take the pasta like this. Again, now we have the sheet. We're going to reduce the size one time more to do the final sheet. We are on number 2, which is a classic size to do pasta and fettuccine. Okay, now we have our pasta sheet is ready to become what we want to become, fettuccine or spaghetti. So we just lie here, and we're going to do the second dough. Now we go back with the large measure. Yes. And we start. We are doing now the fettuccine mold. And they're coming out nice. Fettuccelle, they we call. The fettuccine is a little large, but this is fettuccelle. Means something. Okay, guys. So this is the result. So now you have pasta. Okay. Why the dough like this? Why eggs? Because the color, the consistency, the elasticity of the pasta, and so the flavor. All these elements are important to have fresh pasta. So the pasta is not like noodle, it's pasta. It has a different texture. and consistency. So we'll have now this. And if we don't want to stick too much the pasta, you always put this or a bit of suji, which is here. Keeping the pasta with a bit of ruvid aspect, so it will not stick. So that's the proper professional way. Okay, so we're gonna do also spaghetti. There you go, spaghetti on the way. Spaghettini, baby spaghetti. Spaghetti is a little large, but this is what we call tagliolini. Tagliolini in Italian, but because of the small cuts. Don't worry, if your pasta breaks, you can just do again. Okay. Again, you have another plate, a bit of suji, and your pasta.